नहीं ये नहीं प्लीज एक व्यू एक मेजर ट्रेंड के बारे में थोड़ा काइंडली.
Technical analysis is an art, and suppose if I give you an answer, you consult another technical analyst, he or she might have a completely different answer. So I would talk from my own perspective, from my own studies, right?
Yes, sir.
From that point of view, I would say that the current rally or current upswing that you have seen up until yesterday, at least yesterday, up until day before, that was a short-term corrective pullback, in the sense that the major trend is down. It was just a corrective upswing. Short covering has happened, and after that the downtrend will resume. Where is it headed? Probably 5350, 5300 Nifty is a likely scenario. It could even go further than that if FII start selling. They have not sold in a big way, but if they start selling, that it can even breach that. And as per my time cycle studies, I would say that I'm looking at late May, the last week of May, to about middle of June is the time when we can probably have a bottom somewhere around, say, where is it going? Say if 5300 gets broken, then probably we are headed towards 52 to 5000 kind of range. But my point is that don't look at the Nifty. Say a Larsen. If you find Larsen to be actually performing again better, then you can consider buying into that stock at a price where you are comfortable. And my point is, again, the other point that I would like to make here is that, which is more relevant for the people around here, that is, buy a stock where you will have at least fair bit of confidence. Of course, after yesterday, I seem to be losing that, but because in one of the bluest of the blue chips, Infosys Technologies can lose 25% in a day. Then let me not talk about core education, which seems to have lost 60% on our particular day. So at least some confidence in fundamentally, if you have, buy when they are actually being shunned by investors. If I can give you one takeaway from whatever I am saying, in the last 22 years that I am in the market, I would say that, or rather I would say I'm an economic reforms product as far as market is concerned, came in 1991. I would say that my take is that you have to have enormous amount of patience. Go on investing in debt mutual funds or fixed deposits, but at least in liquid assets so that you can liquidate them pretty fast and wait for blood on the street. And when that happens, choose the leader in a particular sector and invest in that blue chip. You will make hell of a lot of money. This is the thing that I have realized over the years, and I'm sharing it with you. If you have patience and if you have the discipline to do it and the guts to do it, I'm sure you will make a lot of money.
Will there be blood on the street this year or next year?
Let's see.
The richest lady in America was asked, how did you make your fortune? She had the major amount of shares in Beatrice, and her reply was, I sell every stock when I hear New York cabbies discussing it, and I buy when there is only blood on the streets. His phrase came to my mind, and that's really, and it's very tough to do that. It's very tough to do that when everyone else has lost faith in that share market as such. To buy shares at that point of time requires a lot of guts.
Anyway, thank you very much for your kind attention. I think we'd like to close this discussion right now because there's no point in getting the lunch cooler. Okay. So thank you very much. Thank you to all the panelists, and we call it a day for now.
Thank you for the lunch.
Just you have to sit for. We have got by this time we have got a lot of ideas on fixed investments, and we also thank Mr. Vineet Nahata and Power Guild to be one of the co-sponsors. Now I request Mr. Deepak Agarwal to come and honor Gaurang Ganeriwal from ICICI Prudential AMC. Requesting everybody to just take your seat and just applaud to them. Thank you, Gaurang, for sharing the volatility concept with all of us and being a co-sponsor and sponsoring this event, because without you all, this event would not have been possible. Now I request Gomati Venkateshwar, please come and honor Mr. Sashank Pal from SBI Mutual Fund. And thank you again, Mr. Pal, SBI Mutual Fund, for being a co-sponsor for this event. Thank you very much. Without their support, this event was not possible. So thanks a lot to them. And may I request Partho Haldar to honor his favorite, Mr. Rajat Bose. Most of the time we are fortunate to see Mr. Rajat Bose only on television. So this is an opportunity when he is there live with us. So please give a round of applause to him. And we'll request him to be with us on many other occasions where we will have more technical peoples, so that actually we can get maximum out of him. Thank you very much, Mr. Rajat Bose. And now I will request Gautam Karmokar to please come and honor Barunda. It was a charm, it was a delight to listen to you. Achha, I'll get back. A delight to hear Barunda. Please, thank you very much for coming and sharing your thoughts. It was really nice. Your voice modulation is really, really good. Thank you very, very much. And I'll request Sashiji to honor Ms. Sripriya from Calcutta Stock Exchange. Thank you very much, madam. And talking about investor protection, looking forward for more opportunities to share with you. And I will take a privilege of not honoring the moderator Sudeep Chakrabarti with any memento, but that gift. Please get that gift. This is a book which is a gift from actually Motilal Oswal, and I will gift this to them. So now we will have 9 gifts for the end of the day, and I'll give this to Dr. Sudeep, and I'll request Sashiji only, you can give it to him. And I will know he will do justice with these books, and he will read it and share the views in these books in our next meeting. I know that. That's the reason every year we need to ask him to contribute $1,000 now. Because all the presidents will have a quota of every year contributing $3,500, $5,000 from the club. So that's the reason we need people like them. So thank you very much, all the panelists. During the lunch, these people, this esteemed people are there with us. If possible, and if they allow, please interact with them and get more out of them. So thank you very much. A big applaud. Let's all give them a standing ovation, please.